Hi guys, so I picked up a couple of things. Well, it added up to a lot of things, a lot of money, for the boys for back to school. I should say, yeah, back to school boys, and then also some things that I needed, and also I'm trying to think what else. Some of Cottrell's stuff that he's gonna take off to school. So I don't know if I'm gonna insert this with another video, just make it a video by itself. But let's get started. This is not that many items. So I wanted some Tide Simply, and all they had was this size, the 64 loads. They didn't have the big one that you take the cup off and hit the little dispenser and everything. So I guess they needed a truck today. Also, I picked up these Tysons. I always pick up the small chicken patties. I always pick up the small one. Why, I don't know, because they go through them so fast. And this large one, the family size, I believe it's the family size, it's like $9 and something. And then also Walmart, their Caesar salad. Jason wanted some salad stuff, and all the lettuce was brown. I mean, it was fully stocked, but it was brown, and it expires tomorrow. So I picked up the iceberg lettuce, which I didn't want to. I didn't feel like running to Aldi today, so I just picked this up. And that was the only thing that was fresh, and then also some tomatoes. And I picked up some fig bars, and what I'm going to do is put these in little bags for the boys and make some kind of snacks for them. Also, they like the honey wheat Ritz crackers. Jason likes these, and they almost taste like cookies. You put peanut butter Ritz crackers, so all of them like this. I probably should have looked to see if they had a value pack on them. And then also the honey nut Cheerios. I'm going to put these in little baggies for Saya, and before the crew get to them, because they'll kill that box within a couple of days or a day. Also, Miss Connie Hughes, thank you so much. And oh gosh, I can't remember. I can see her picture, her thumbnail picture, but I can't think of her name or her channel, but I'll make sure I link it below. But they gave me some suggestions. I've been doing a lot of research on what to take for Cottrell to school, watching videos on Pinterest, reading books, everything, so he'll be set. So she told me to pick up 2 bags of Halls. I only picked up 1. I'll go back. And then I also picked him up some ibuprofen. This is 100 coated tablets. So I'm going to make him a little medicine bag, and I'll show you guys that. And then some pain reliever, the extra strength Tylenol. This has 100 too. And we went to Walmart last night, and they had it a couple of cents cheaper. I wish I got it, but I was checking out and it was too late. I think I was already checked out. But these were like $1.96. I think in the other Walmart it was $1.84. I also picked up Trail some Shout Advanced Setting Stain. We don't use this a whole stain remover, but we don't use it a whole lot. But I'm usually the one who drops stuff on my clothes all the time. And so I wanted to make him a little laundry bag. I was watching At Home with Nikki's video, so I'm going to put that in his bag. And then also the 12 count bleach control packs. And I also saw in her video that she had the crystals, and I was looking at those. It was like $3.34. These were $2.56, and I figured he would do better with these. And then if he's low on something, let me know, or he can go get it himself. Yeah. So then I also picked up some Light Body Magic sizing, some starch for him. This is on like $1 and something. We used to use starch a whole lot growing up. A whole lot. My dad was buying it all the time. He would even make his own in the spray bottle. But we don't too much anymore. I think I have some in the laundry room, but I picked Trail some up to put in his little bag. I like to get the dual pack of the Scrub and Bubbles, but they did not have that. They needed a truck today. And yeah, so I just got the one. And then also the concentrated bleach, I like to get that. And then I always forget to get the ultra thin always. I need some of these out right now, but I'm just I'm just so tired. I'm just tired of this. But I don't feel like going through the change yet. And so I don't know if I mentioned on Instagram or whatever, but my flow is really heavy, so I have to have both, and I probably need to get that. I'm going to get that checked out because that's probably the main reason why I have anemia. So anyway, I always forget to get these because I always need these, and I need these too. Okay, so I also picked up some gold dowel. I wanted something different. I'm getting a little kind of tired of the Safeguard, but I really didn't. I don't know, I just picked this up. I also haven't picked up any applesauce in a while. What I asked JJ to do, because he's the most pickiest, is to make a list of some snacks that he can have like after school that he would like to have, and he mentioned applesauce, so I picked this up. Also some mixed fruit. One is cherry mixed fruit, and the other is mixed, just regular mixed fruit. Also, I picked up, as you come in the door, they're getting ready, gearing up for school, which mine's already in school, and they have all the little snack packs, which are really neat, but you know they're at least $6, close to $7, or yeah, $6. So I did pick up this 20 pack. My crew will kill this. I probably should have got another pack, and you know they have so many varieties, and then they have the ones that have just Oreo or just Chips Ahoy. So I'm definitely gonna go back and get some for Trail. I will, all these other things I'll make sure I group them in another haul, like it's for him, if it's first aid, if it's his little laundry kit, if it's a food haul or whatever, I'll show it. And then also last night I picked him up a toothbrush holder and a soap saver, and it was green, so I'm just gonna keep that one and get him the blue one because it matched. I don't know, I'm just like that. And then I also saw these spray bottles. They were 97 cents, so I probably will put him some liquid shout that I have extra here, so he won't have to take the whole bottle, and or whatever he may need in that, or I might just keep the other one. Then also Saya loves the goldfish, so I picked him up some of these. And then lastly, the 20 pack value pack variety pack. JJ is not too much of a fan of these, but Cottrell is, Jason is, Saya likes them too. So but these are actually for Trail. I think these are like $4.90 or close to $5. So I picked these up for him, and I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I think that's it. So I will make sure that I will share those videos, and then also if I want to make them like some kind of snack thing for back to school. Really, JJ's my only one that I have in grade school right now, so share that with you. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when any new videos come out from me. And you all have a great day. Bye bye. Hi guys, I think I'm going to insert this Aldi haul with the Walmart haul that I just picked up, and let me share with you. It's not as many items because I had a $200 budget, but it seemed like it just went really quickly, and I may have to go back. There's still some stuff that I didn't get, like Saya likes the little maple sausage patties, the frozen ones, and he likes the raspberry lemonade now, and probably some other things. But anyway, I was on this salad spinner, and actually years ago I had picked up a salad spinner and it actually cracked. This one may be smaller. It looks like it's smaller according to the box. I think it's $7.99 or $6.99. It was like the very last one, and I knew I needed one because a lot of times when I'm rinsing the salad, it's so wet that I have to use like a paper towel. So I knew I needed another one. Picked that one up, especially it was the last one. The eggs, $1.57. So they're eggs have been a little high lately. So orange juice, I picked up 2 of those, and then I have milk in the bag. Over here, I'm going to condense these mayonnaise jars. I'm cleaning out my refrigerator, and JJ broke, he broke my, I think it was JJ because he didn't say, he broke my thing on the side, and I have, that fridge is not even a year old. It's not even 6 months old. So I'm going to have to order one, find the book and order one through Kenmore. Daddy went upstairs, boo. Then also I picked up some provolone cheese, And I'm going to make, let's see, I'm gonna do a meal plan, but I don't have everything to make a full week meal plan, but I'll share at the end what I'm gonna make. Okay, the fresh ground turkey and some 80/20. I picked up 2 of those. The Parmesan herb chicken tenders, loins. I'm gonna ask my mom, does she like these? The family likes these, especially to put in salad. I also picked up some of these green peppers, and they're really small. I don't know why sometimes Aldi has so many different types of packaging or companies with their fresh fruit, mainly fresh vegetables too, but well, I noticed with the green peppers it's always different. It could be in a bag sometimes it's wrapped. I don't know why. There's different distributors. Also some Italian hot sausage. We always have spaghetti in the house. And the other 80/20. I picked up JJ some popcorn, and if I insert this with the other video, I think I said that I asked JJ what he liked to eat, since he's the most pickiest. Saya is too, but Saya will try more things. Like JJ doesn't like nuts, Saya does, and Saya likes almonds, JJ doesn't. So Trail likes everything. Peanut butter wafers, Swiss rolls. I'm making them a snack bin, but if they go through it too fast, guys, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm just gonna pick it up as I want to, because Trail has always been like sneaking food forever. He's gotten a little bit, well, he don't really ask because I guess he's older, but I want him to let me know so I know what they're eating so they won't eat too much of it. And then JJ has picked up the habit of what Trail was doing for years. So now I have 2 of them that's like going through stuff like crazy. And yeah, so y'all know how that is. You go back with something and then it's like gone. You just bought it and it's gone. So anyway, Texas Toast 5 cheese, tomato, basil, and garlic. And I already have that issue with Jason. But I mean, he buys it, so I still complain, but it ain't nothing too much I can say. Crushed tomatoes, Concord grape jelly. I picked up the big thing of peanut butter. They go through this like crazy. Some onions, celery and ranch dressing. I'm gonna cut this up for JJ because I told him, look, write down on that list what you want for snacks, but everything cannot be junk food. It has to be a little healthy too. Some spring organic mix. I like to get this big thing and make the salad, and then 2 of the white bread, because Saya has at least, guys, 2 to 3 peanut butter sandwiches, and some days maybe more a day, not back to back, spread out, and that might be all that he asked for. But I try to incorporate more things with him. In the morning he eats better, when of course he's not snacking, but he eats better in the morning because he's hungry. So we try new things, or Jason actually discovered that, so he's really good at that, because usually when I'm coming home from work with the bus, the first half Josiah's ate or already eaten. So he discovered that. Anyway, some honey wheat bread, and that's it, guys. I think it was like $62 minus the salad spinner, and I paid for that separately because I wanted that. So so the menu for this week, I started with today, which was the 15th, and through the 21st. So today is our anniversary, and it's 5 o'clock. So we just ate. So I don't know what we're gonna have, but I'm sure we probably go somewhere. It may be later. Maybe we go somewhere just for dessert. And Jason was gonna take me somewhere, but they're not open on Sunday or Monday. They're open on Tuesday, and he has to work Tuesday, and they don't open to 5. So we'll probably do that some other time. I don't know. So we figure out something to do today. Tomorrow on Facebook, guys, I tell you, they get you every time. Those videos on fixing food. So I wanted to try this one. It was really simple. It's called ground Philly cheesesteak grilled cheese sandwich or something like that. And then I have to pick a veggie to go with it. And I'm gonna make that for the boys, and I hope they like it. JJ, we don't know yet. So I found that. I make sure I link that below. And then on the 17th, I also found another video called Shrimp Cakes, and that's a good bariatric, a good bariatric and a good Weight Watchers one, because it's like protein. Yeah, protein. Ooh, trying to keep it. I'm talking so much, I'm shaking this thing while I'm talking. Then on the 18th, breakfast for dinner. And I probably served that with some broccoli. And then, what else was I going to say? Yeah, breakfast for dinner, because I have some breakfast food in here. And then tossed salad with chicken. And I try to do salad. I used to do this all the time. Have salad at least 1 to 2 times a week. Before Josiah was even thought of. And he doesn't eat his vegetables too well, so I know he really likes salad, and so I'm gonna try to do that at least once a week. And then Friday and Saturday, I have no clue, guys. It may be like tuna fish sandwiches or just whatever they want to fix for themselves. So I try not to I need to cook more, and I used to cook a lot all the time, but I try not to cook as much to overwhelm myself, because I try to work on some other things, because I'm in here cooking for like an hour and a half, or maybe 2 hours or an hour sometimes, and I need to find really quick meals for them. So that's the menu for this week. I'm making them a snack bin in here, and when I finish with this, I will show the pantry. It's a little different. A lot of things are the same, but it's a little different. And now that I came in here, I remembered some stuff that I forgot to get. So I'm gonna have to order some groceries from Walmart. And yeah, so cleaning out the fridge, cleaning out the pantry, and that's been a chore, but I'm not gonna work on it today because today is our anniversary, and I'm gonna do something else. But thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.